just going to go over how to safely pour into from a 5-gallon into a smaller container when I deal with thinners and such and other chemicals, catalyst or any kind of like a thinner. I usually put them in smaller containers, like a 4-liter plastic container such as this, and it does come with a lid and such. So yeah, I just want to, I always use a funnel, and in this case I usually use a thicker one. And this is a brand new 5-gallon full container of lacquer thinner. And so with full containers, I usually pour with the spout end up. This allows me to be able to control the fluid flow into the funnel without it glugging, it going glug, glug, glug. So yeah, so I just basically take it and I'm over it. And even at that, it wants to splash. So you just gotta be careful. Make sure you're wearing eye protection. And you just watch your level rise. That's why I like the clear containers, because you can always see your level. And then we're coming up to the top. And just when you start thinking, just reduce it a little bit more. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top. Or you leave a little bit extra. Just cover your cap after you're done. And yeah, there you go. And there you have it. And there you go. Here's my lacquer. All safe. Cheers. Like and follow us on TikTok. Like and subscribe on YouTube. And follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter.